I'm going to show you how to make chicken stock today. So as I mentioned, I'd made a full roasted chicken the other night, so I went ahead and saved the carcass from that. So this will be the base to our stock. Additionally, in my freezer, I always keep some stock scraps. So part of this in here would be the giblets from the chicken that I froze, some carrots, some celery, and then some scraps to onions and garlic. So what I'm going to do first is just bring a big stock pot up to boil, and I'm going to add in all my ingredients. Alright, you can take a look in the pot. So we can see everything is just covered. We have a nice variety of flavors. If you have other things like stems from herbs or parsnips, things like that, you can add them in. I didn't happen to have any of that on hand, so I'm adding in some dried herbs and some bay leaves. You can add some peppercorns as well for flavor. So what I'm going to do is let that come up to a boil. Once it's reached a boil, I'm going to reduce the heat to a simmer, meaning little bubbles popping, and then put the top on it and cook it for about 3 to 6 hours. Thanks.